are crazy. My neighbor, I have a neighborhood, chat thing that I tell you about that I look at things, but I rarely comment for the fact of just getting in a, endless, meaningless debate.
Mm-hmm.
People are cutting people's Christmas lights.
That's just rude.
I mean, it's just, yeah. I mean, nothing that comes out of that says, even if I had a neighbor across the street, which I do that at bright Christmas lights, put your blinds up. It's Christmas, by gosh. And even if you're a different religion, I don't know. Just tolerate it, right? What a mess.
It looks like it could have been worse.
Yeah.
Only one car is really banged up, so.
Yeah, not extremely.
Yeah.
It also does not do super great in snow.
Well, he said one of the reasons why people are locking their keys in their cars because like you don't have to put it in the ignition that people put in their pockets or something. So somebody puts it in their backpack, throws the backpack in the back seat, and apparently
Ooh, that Jeep is.
He's got us okay. Caught it.
Yeah, he caught it. He's slowing way down. I'm slowing way down, so I just started to slip right around there too.
You can see it. Yeah, I'm just watching him. You can see it the whole time. He's slipping quite a bit.
That's a Jeep too.
Yeah,
He's trying to get out of that lane.
he is, and I'm not going to get in his way.
Man, he
That one's-
cannot.
It's clearly worse, or his tires are terrible.
There, yeah. I don't either.
Might be turning right
This crossover